Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ChatGPT Insights, where we dive into the world of AI and explore its impact on our daily lives. Today, we're talking about a potential game changer for tax dodgers, or should I say, not quite. Artificial intelligence is being used to create fake receipts that could fool the Australian Taxation Office, but experts are warning us that it's not as sneaky as you think. Imagine having an AI-powered tool at your fingertips that can whip up a receipt in seconds. Sounds like a dream come true for those looking to make a big tax deduction, right? But financial expert Josh Lee from Link Wealth Group says this technology adds another layer of complexity to the game. If you're putting through a few little ones, what's the likelihood you're going to be audited? He asks. The problem is, AI-powered tools like ChatGPT's 40-image generation tool can produce receipts that are almost indistinguishable from the real thing. Even with just a few prompts, these tools can churn out images of fake pizza orders, dates and times of purchase, and tax amounts, all perfectly realistic. But what happens when you ask for something extra, like a crinkled receipt that's been sitting in a drawer or purse? That's where things get really concerning. As AI expert EZD points out, this could usher in a new era of tax evasion. But the Australian Taxation Office isn't buying it. They've warned Aussies that if they try using these tools to create fake receipts, they'll be caught and facing severe penalties. So what can you do if you genuinely lost your receipt and need help with your tax deduction? Josh Lee says that AI-powered tools like ChatGPT could actually come in handy for people who want to generate legitimate receipts. But the ATO has its own set of rules. If things look a little fishy on your tax return, they can request information from your bank to make sure you paid for an item. The key is to understand what makes a valid receipt for tax purposes. The Australian Taxation Office wants to see the name or business name of the supplier, the amount of the expense or cost of the asset, the nature of the goods or services you buy, the date you bought them, and the date the document was produced. The consequences of getting caught trying to game the system can be severe. If someone in the highest tax bracket claims a $1,000 item as a deduction and gets audited, they might have to pay back 47% of that item, plus interest. So, while AI-powered tools may seem like a convenient way to make a big tax deduction, it's essential to remember that honesty is always the best policy when it comes to your taxes. That's all for today on ChatGPT Insights. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and remember, transparency is key when it comes to your finances.